If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below, and we'll see you for the next one. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. So what we have here is a comprehensive brake kit for your e60 535s, 540s, 550, as well as your e63, e64, 645 CI, and 650i models. Included with this kit are Zimmermann Z-coated rotors. As you can see, they have kind of a dull gray finish to them. That is the high temp zinc coating. Helps reduce corrosion. The nice part about these is they are clean to install right out of the box. You don't need to wipe them down with brake parts cleaner or anything like that. So just put them on the car, bed in your brakes. Also included in this kit are Akebono EUR ceramic brake pads. What's nice about these is they produce very little brake dust and are also extremely quiet in operation, while still producing the same type of performance you would come to expect from a semi-metallic pad. Of course, ceramics to a degree don't have up to the same level of performance, but for driving around town, regular use vehicle, you're not gonna have to worry about cleaning off your wheels all the time to keep them clean, because you know those factory pads are extremely dusty. Also included are two, well, one for the front, one for the rear, BOVA OE pad wear sensors. These need to be replaced when you replace your brake pads. They typically do not come off the other brake pads. They usually break when you take them off. And we also throw in some of this genuine BMW brake grease, which this stuff is really, really good. This has been another really quick product review. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment box below. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.